Hi, my name is Sebastian Azuero, and today we are going to talk about salary design. This is a subject that is seen in the industrial engineer career, in which you learn about salary and how a well-developed salary structure can be very important in a company. An engineer must be able to perform any salary analysis at any company, either being part of it or as a founder of the company. So first, let's talk about salary. Salary is a type of a monetary compensation for the performance of a professional position or service. This service provides a function that a person performs in a formal or informal job. The principal objective of the salary is make a system of rewards for the workers in a company. This system consists in a set of techniques, policies, and compensation objectives related into financial compensations. This system is the one that interested the engineer to evaluate, and is the one that will be very important in a company. When we are designing a salary structure, there are 5 things that is important to take into account. The first one is the equity among employees according to their functions. The second one is that the salary must be an incentive for the worker. The third one is that the salary must be reasonable for the company and for the worker. The next one is that the salary must be enough for the worker to meet his basic needs of life. And the last one, that is the engineer must be taking into account what the company can pay. The design of a perfect salary structure consists in 4 general steps. The first step is the knowledge about the company. This is important because the engineer can get an idea of how is the operation of the company, what it produces, what is the projection in the future of the company, among others. It is important to know who is taking the service, what is offered by the engineer to the community. The second step is the occupational analysis, which is the identification of the activities and requirements of the worker and the technical and environmental factors of the occupation. This can be done by through the method that is called gathering information, which can be by questionnaires, by interviews, by direct observation, or by successive reports. With all this information collected, the engineer organizes descriptive letters which will provide to the company and to the engineer detailed knowledge of each of the charts. Step: the evaluation of charge. Each of them are given a score taking into account some factors by which they will be given thanks to the information previously collected, and then they are located by their scores from the highest to the lowest. Some of these factors could be the education, the work experience, autonomy, the effort of the charge, among others. And the final step is the salary structure, in which, according to the score of each of the positions and following some analysis tests, you will obtain the correct salary design of each of the positions of the organization. A well-designed salary structure is reflected into the turnover of the personnel of the company. One important topic to talk is how the salary design impacts on the community. An engineer with the salary design helps the society in the field of excellent structuring of the property functionality of the company, avoiding topics like the unemployment, like the economic instability, and offering an excellent quality life, social security status, and the possibility of satisfying of the basic needs of all the people. The importance of this subject resides in 3 principal roles. The first role is a company. For a company, it is an efficient way to balance the labor cost with the total produced. Thus, the salaries and the benefits must be adequate for the individual's performance. The second role is the client of the company. They are assured of being with a company with a correct ethical and moral things. which is ensured an excellent lifestyle for their workers, and the company is offering an excellent service for their clients. And the last role is the worker. For their worker, they earning salaries is one of the primary incentives to be more efficient, because it represents their standard of living, because they want to have a security status and the opportunity of satisfy all their basic needs. So thank you for paying attention, and see you in the next opportunity.